Sino yung mga katok?
Naiiyak ako.
Sino?
Isa akin, same, parang kay Lawrence. Past, before I was accepted dito sa staff. Ano siya? Question mark. Nag-transition ako from career ko for 16 years and then I tried out to be a developer here, but luckily, throughout the process, hindi ko naman nakita na yun talaga yung path na gusto ko. So I realized that here. And then, question mark kasi, lost pa ako nun. I was still telling myself na ano ba talaga, I was torn between kung ano talaga, mag-stay ako doon or magiging dev ako. But then here, yun, naging, ano pa rin ako, I found my love pa rin to talk to clients and to talk. Yun lang talaga, siguro, though yung learning ko before, I got in here, more on naiintindihan ko na yung mga technical terms, like kunwari nag-uusap sila, naiintindihan ko na rin yun. So, learning din sa akin yun, pero nung present na ngayon, nakikita ko na kung saan ako pupunta because of the team. Always, every night, my partner will tell me na you always have a lot of stories. Kasi we would usually talk up until 2 a.m. And wala akong buhang bibig kundi yung team. Kasi minsan nga hindi ko alam kung nasasawa na siya. Kasi I tell the stories over and over. Like, yan, JB, ganito, ganyan ginawa namin si Paolo. So, sinasabi niya sa akin, wala ka ng buhang bibig kundi yung team. And then, there's this one time na, pagod na ako. And then, I would usually smile and tell na, kahit ka naman pagod, masaya ka eh. So, yun. Doon ko nung tinanggap ako ni Sir dito, nakita ko na, this is where I belong. Kahit na mahirap in a way, there are challenges ngayon na na-experience naman natin. I would always, minsan pagkakausap ko si Sir, sabi ko, masaya ako dito. I feel na second family ko siya.
Yes.
Tapos sa'yo. Hindi ka alam pa lang.
Tapos, yung future ko, meron akong mga path na gusto kong i-take dito for the longest time. And I think I was telling one of you guys na it's for long term. Yun, nakikita ko yung sarili ko na magtatagal. Yun.
Yes, thank you.
Parang nakakagod ka lang galaw.
Ito si Boss Jared yung nakakaya.
Yan!